happening little trail. A lot of people out here cruising around on this trail. Bella's thinking about where she can get water. And I gotta pay attention for snakes because we're down in this area and you just never know when one's gonna be down here. I don't want Bella to come up on one really quick. Get a drinky, Bella, right there. Look, get a drinky. That's some good water. Well, you probably need a drink. We don't know when we're gonna come back down through here. All right, Lou, come on. There's another little neat spot right down here. Oh, don't. She's about to tip my camera right over. Lou, come on. Get up here. Get going. I wanted to do short clips. That way we can get a little bit of footage out here. Several short clips would be nice. How pretty that is. This is why I enjoyed coming out here on the trail. I just love all the beauty of springtime and when all the colors start happening. Colors that haven't even happened yet, but they will be. This is normally decorated down here, but it looks like somebody took out all the little decorations that were down here. I think this is the spot, maybe it's not. Huh. Maybe I'm off. I swear that's the spot, but I might be wrong. It's been a while since I've been down here. Oh, here it is. Here's the spot. I was wrong. Now there's normally a bunch of these crazy big cherries. I was looking, she wants to see the water. That's just kind of neat. Lou. He was Daddy's baby, but you're going the wrong way. We're going this way. Come on. All right, guys. I gotta cut her off. I want to keep them under 5 minutes so they load pretty quick. So, and I got several videos I'm gonna shoot while I'm out here. All right, guys, we'll catch you at the next one.